So today we have the EEPROM 9 at the museum. He's brought back an Amiga that has just been repaired. Isn't that right? So
Yep.
what have you done?
Yeah, basically it had a dying hard drive, which is expected from a mechanical hard drive that's 30 odd years old. And so I've put in a compact flash adapter in there with the compact flash card, something similar to this. And then I was able to, using a Grease Weasel version 4, with the Amiga floppy from this one, but at the moment it's from an Amiga over there, able to burn a whole set of new workbench discs to install onto this machine. And then I was able to, from that, burn some Octoooomed Sound Studio 2 discs.
Octoooomed. Yes.
Which is apparently the Amiga sound software, onto it with a 500 disc here just now, and I've got those installed on here.
So this is from another...
Yeah, from the Dead-Eye 500
so you've used the computer
Yeah.
to burn the floppy drives, and then that's
Yep.
gone onto here.
And then here, unfortunately it doesn't keep the order I put it in, but we have the Sound Studio right here. That's the disc 2, and disc 1 has found its way to the bottom here.
Really,
Now,
Octoooomed.
I do not know how to use this software.
I don't think anybody does. No, I'm joking.
Yeah.
So apparently, if you know Octoooomed, you will know
Yeah.
it's a pretty snazzy tracker for Amiga. So we're gonna let this loose in the museum.
Find a monitor to cook it up on.
Have you turned it on yet? Have you tested Octoooomed yet?
I've never actually used it before, so
Oh, here we go. Can't open.
There we go.
Hey, Octoooomed. Oh, now we've got to figure out how the heck to use it.
yeah, that's the next fun thing. That looks like a load of hex addresses.
bunch
But
of-
yeah, it works.
Amazing.
And it's running from the hard drive. But we'll keep the floppies with the Amiga or wherever you want to keep them, so you've always got a copy.
And so you've already done a couple of shorts of videos on this on your
Yes,
YouTube
I did a
channel,
short going over the Amiga there, and I'm also going over the process of installing Workbench. But I'm also going to probably actually put a little bit about this on my website at theeprom9.co.uk.
Okay, well, check it out there if you want to know more. He's going through repairing items. We had to use the floppy drive from this because that one was duff to load it from the laptop. But yeah, so that is going to be set up soon as well.
Yeah,
So yeah, thank you very much.
no probs. And hopefully we'll have the IBM fixed at some point soon.
Oh yeah, never-ending list of
Yeah.
jobs.
That IBM does have a lot wrong with the motherboard.
Well, let's have a look. That'll be for another video for another time. Toodly-doo.